Katrina, Sandy, Harvey. The names are infamous, but how did these hurricanes get their names and who makes the call? Naming tropical cyclones dates back to the 1800s in the West Indies. Hurricanes were named after the saint's day on which they fell. Yes, every day has a different saint's name attached to it. The US began naming severe storms in 1953. At first, they were only given female names, but as more women became meteorologists, they called out the sexist practice and fought for change. In 1979, hurricanes started having male and female names. These days, the process for naming hurricanes and tropical cyclones begins at the World Meteorological Organization in Geneva. The WMO maintains separate, rotating lists of names for storms in the Atlantic and Pacific. The names are alphabetical, and each new storm gets the next name on the list. Whenever there are more tropical cyclones in the Atlantic than names for a given year, additional storms take names from the Greek alphabet. But if a storm turns out to be catastrophic, the WMO will remove that name from circulation and come up with a new name for the list, so previously impacted areas won't feel subjected to the horrors of that storm name again. WMO told USA Today the committee tries to select storm names that are relevant to the storm's geographic location. For instance, Atlantic storm names include Lorenzo and Emily, while Central North Pacific names include Akoni and Lana. Whatever the name, the most important thing to remember is they can all be dangerous. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.